there, welcome back to Grandma Sylvia's kitchen. Today we're making cupcakes. So we're starting off with 10 ounces of self-raising flour, 8 ounces of sugar, 8 ounces of butter, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoonfuls of milk and a cupful of vanilla essence.
Grandma's been caught.
So we're starting off with the butter and the sugar in the bowl, and I'm going to start up the mixer slow.
Oh, it's not exploded yet. Yeah, that's cool. Oh.
Nice, isn't it? So we keep doing this until it's light and really white in colour.
White.
So now we're adding the eggs one at a time, and we'll whisk each one in. Stop.
Stop.
Each egg.
Start again.
Scrape the bowl after each egg. Ready for the next one. Next one in, Jasper, and Stan will whisk it. The third egg's just gone in. Now at this point it may curdle a bit, so if it does, you've just to put a teaspoonful of flour in. Okay, carry on, Stan. That'll do. Now you've finished with the mix. You've finished with the mixer now, so I have to point out to these boys that they shouldn't really be eating this because it contains raw eggs, and we all know that raw eggs can give you salmonella. But I don't suppose it'll stop them from doing it.
Jasper. Jasper. Shut up, Stan.
Lovely.
You Jasper bullface.
Have we got that scraper?
It's not that bad licking
That
the
red scraper.
mixture things, just saying.
It depends on.
Very hot.
Right, here we go. Then goes the flour, and now it's folding carefully so that we keep the air in that's been whisked in already. Can you see what Stan's doing? That's it, careful.
Yes, I can.
And mix it all in, but gently. And that means the buns will be lovely and light.
Do I have a...
Yeah.
In a minute, yeah. Once I've done doing my magic.
So the last job is 3 tablespoonfuls of milk. That's 1, 2, 3.
Well, he needs
And
some
you go
milk.
carefully stir that in, and then it should be all mixed. That's it.
It kind of looks weird. It looks nice.
This.
How does that look nice?
It'll be smooth when you've finished.
I go on it. My bestie, I know bestie.
Okay, you can turn it off now, Grandma.
Make that flame go higher.
Yeah!
that'll
Like
do
a
now.
like a want it.
I know half.
Right, the mixture's done now, so I'm going to put spoonfuls into the bun cases. That's a bit too much, Stan.
It'll be fine.
And we're going to bake them. They'll take about 25 minutes at 180, which is gas mark 6.
Not too much.
You want to?
Is that too much, Grandma?
No, unless you scrape it. In the bowl, we're making buttercream now. I've got a pound of icing sugar and 8 ounces of soft butter. And Stan is going to start whisking it. And it will whisk it until it's light and fluffy. Carry on, Stan. Now Stan's made the perfect pale green buttercream.
Yes.
I made it green.
Yeah, Jasper put the colouring in, which is to be very careful. So I'm just showing him how to pipe. So to get it near to the bun and squeeze
Okay.
so that it's touching. And just do one, Jasper. And you can go around in circles.
Oh,
Or
it's
you
coming out. Nice.
can do what you want. Yeah, it's coming out. Just do these that are cool, not these yet. And that recipe is make 21 of these perfect cupcakes. And I'll say it on camera, Mary Berry could not have made finer buns than these.
Controversial.
What stands?
So these are some of the cupcakes that the boys have made today. I think they're very impressive.